with a quick review on Hans Moleman. As you can see, it's very short, okay? And the show is very funny. He's probably one of my favorite funny characters and stuff. So yeah, he looks pretty good. You cannot remove the glasses, but you can actually kind of look under it, them and stuff. But then if you rip them off, then the weird lump. I used some weird lumpy things on his back. Also got a cane holding hand and just this normal hand. A giant butt. So yeah, that's pretty much it for sculpt. Articulation. You can move the head all the way around. Arms. And waist. Yes, accessories comes with a cane, which is pretty cool. It's the same cane that comes with Crazy Old Man from Main Street, which I do not have. If you put that in his hand, also comes with the football from Man Getting Hit by Football. Vision test that fails in an episode, I don't remember which one. And a magnifying glass, which I don't really know why. Pretty cool. Compatible sets. I have a Springfield DMV. Of course, where I took his eye exam, which is right there. Put him right here.
Hello? Hello?
But she says that the doctor's not the DMV.
I just made my last payment.
So he says there. Springfield Time Castle.
Well, you're certainly doing your job today, Mr. Sun. I need the biggest seed bell you have.
And finally, Justin Burger. Get him on there. But there's actually like this line that just connects his feet. I don't know why.
If only the sugar were as sweet as you, sir. If only the sugar were as sweet as you, sir.
Well, that's pretty much it for Hans Moleman. And stuff. Hans Moleman, I mean, it's pretty cool. I recommend him. So I like how his glasses are. They pretty much look like Milhouse's glasses, except just only a different color. You can also fit the magnifying glass in this hand, and also the clipboard just the side with the pen. But the football doesn't fit in any of the hands. But yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye.